Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to yet another video. It is bright and early on this Sunday afternoon with my boy Ricky. If you guys remember from the video that's actually dropped,
we got the Vargas Turbos and relocated inlets.
Sheesh!
All the fast guys are coming out today.
We go on the beat.
So yeah, we're with my boy Ricky right now. If you guys remember, he's on upgraded turbos now. We brought out the M. I'm pumping gas. We're waiting on the rest of the crew to pull up. But for this video, it's really a big, how do you say? We're gonna reveal a canopy to you guys for the actual team. So for my Nate, ooh, a little 240 passing by. Woo! But new canopy for the natives team. Me and Henry and the whole team, we basically made an order and we're gonna basically reveal it to you guys, but also to the team today at a car meet. Apart from that, we also got the new merch drop. So we got this in white and we got this in black. I'm gonna be doing a special.
Do a little spin from them, Alex.
Okay, so I got my boy Ricky behind. But yeah, new merch drop. We got the natives. You guys can tell we're bringing out some new things. Hopefully we can equip the team with some new merch for the car season and the car shows upcoming. But stay tuned for all the details and everything once we get back on the road and go from there. Some dirty shoes, but that's because of all the what?
All the braking.
All the braking and all the snacks. Someone called someone out today, but I don't know if he's...
We can get it.
Oh my God, Ricky, oh my God. But yeah, we were supposed to do a cool, chill cruise, but you know, my boy Ricky brought the thing out. He's already done the braking period. He actually went to Vegas for a, not Vegas, sorry. He went to Reno for a job and basically broke him in there and back. So he's ready to go. You're tuned and everything already?
No, I'm still on stock turbo tips.
Okay. So not low boost, not to its full potential, but this thing, oh man. Just excited to see him back out, paired out with the boys. Okay, so once we wait on the rest of the team to arrive, as soon as the rest of the team pulls up, we'll basically head out, hit the highway, and we're actually heading to Alameda. If you guys don't know where that is, it's basically across the Bay Bridge. So yeah, let's just wait on them. Okay, so Groovy made it. We actually, we couldn't stay in the gas station because there's a lot of cars trying to pump, but Groovy made it. The rest of the team actually left us because we lagged it. So let's get on going. Ricky, what do you gotta tell them, bro? Sheesh. We outside today, boys. with some fun runs before any car meet or any car show. You guys saw it, Redeye with Ricky. They were playing basically they were basically going back and forth. Cool little runs. I mean, if we had a better stretch of road and I had my GoPro mounted, look, I literally have my GoPro ready, but I could not put it on my forehead or on my head strap and then line up in time. Luckily, you know, Groovy is behind us. But luckily, Ricky, you know, he had fun. Driving with one hand and holding the camera, it's not the safest thing, and it's also not the easiest thing. So hopefully by the next one, I have the GoPro ready and just on it, and let's go. We got a clean 370 pulling up with us. Man, beautiful. His IG right there, Z34Alex_. This traffic ain't it though. My ears! So we have officially made it to the meet. Half of the gang is already here, and as you guys can tell, we are setting up the canopy like I promised you guys. Slowly but surely building up the main thing right here. Sheesh! Omar, let him know. Dang. We're out here.
Bro, I didn't realize that was a red, bro.
Let the build commence. Sheesh. We are big now, boys. Let them know, Henry. Yes, we're making moves. You see it? You see it? And then we just Velcro it onto the actual frame of the... But not yet, but like... No, good. You're right. Sorry, I'm new to this. Omar's the pro here. That shit is clean, bro. Woo! CR1, bro. So we're just getting started right now. We're having trouble setting this up, but we'll get it up real soon. We are live. We are setting up the canopy as we speak right now. Huge shout out to our boy Colombiano, aka Juan Pablo, for bringing it through. I did forget it at home, but now that it's here, it's time to build it up and have the actual, you know, the set here with the boys. Some shade for us. The canopy has officially been assembled, or at least for the top part. We still got to get the surrounding sides, but some shade for us finally. Yes, sir. We are getting a step closer to doing what we do best here. Beautiful outcome. Look at all these cars posted out. And we got it right front and center. You guys know I got the red guts. How do y'all feel about blue guts? This shit's clean. With the the Lambo doors, front and rear. Trunk setup as well. Sheesh. But yeah, look, literally a smooth turnout. We got the trucks over there. That shit is clean. Bunch of Mustangs. Whole lineup. And then we got the Mopars, the Subi. That Subi is beautiful. Scatty. We're gonna see what's up with the food over there in a bit. And oh, they actually got a bunch of stuff out here. Sheesh. The Paisley. Boasted. Subi. Whole lineup. Alright, so we got our food ready. You guys can tell. Dope outcome. They got it all out here. I got my food, I'm chilling, but these guys are trying to, I don't know, get some...
You're being chickened out.
You chickened out? No way.
Yeah.
They're trying to get a little sideways. Look at that beautiful RX-7. FD type thing. Sheesh, FC over here. And then the RX-8, we got all generations. LS swap? Damn, LS swap. Still pulling up. Yes, sir. Right here, post it up. It's good, it's good. We still got plenty of cars pulling in. This shit's still going. Cars all the way to the back. The Notorious boys are over there. BQ's over there. Let me find out, JP. Yes, sir. Boys for the little Hellcat right here. What the baby look like? How we get? No way, Julio. But we got it out here. Cheers. All right, so like I was telling you guys, new merch for you guys. We got the black one and we got the white t-shirt. As you guys know, I'm wearing the white one, but I had to bring out both. It's a surprise. My what's it called, co-founder, the boy, we about to be repping, but that is a new drip, as you guys can tell. So I got the white one on today, and my boy dripped out with the black one. Model for them real quick. We out here. So that pretty much wraps up this video. Pretty straightforward. We just wanted to showcase you the Canopy, but also the new merch that dropped, the white shirt and the black shirt. I will do a more in-depth description and review on these shirts once they officially drop. As of now, it's only me and Henry, you know, the co-founders for Natives that have it. But once they do drop, I'll be sure to let you guys know, and I'll be sure to keep you guys posted about where you can go and buy them. With all that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe. I'm about to be stuck in traffic because we're heading back to the city, but y'all keep it authentic like always.